My name is Tim Nies. I'm a South Florida personal injury attorney. I wanted to talk to you today about what to do following a motor vehicle accident. There's a couple things that you should do. First of all, call the police. If you need medical attention, call an ambulance. Your health insurance should cover the bill if the car insurance does not cover it. So don't worry about having to pay for an ambulance. Those would be included in your PIP portion of your uh, car insurance. So if you need to call an ambulance, do it. Don't worry about it. Your health is more important. If you don't need an ambulance yet, make sure to go to a doctor, whether you're a family doctor or an orthopedic doctor, a neurosurgeon. Go right away. Don't wait weeks because there are issues with the law if you would go to a doctor following a car accident many weeks after the crash. So if you don't feel like going by emergency transport to the hospital, go to an urgent care center, go to your family doctor, go to a doctor, and make sure you have it done within 2 weeks. But really, you should be going the next day to get yourself checked out. While you're at the scene of the crash, make sure you do a couple things after you call the police to get a report written up. Take photographs and videos of your entire car. Take photographs and videos of the other car or cars or trucks, whatever other vehicles are involved in the crash. Take more than just one or two. Take multiple. Take videos as well. Take a video where the crash happened, a scene of the crash. Keep those. Email them to yourself. There's been many cases where clients have lost the photographs that were in the cloud or whatever. So make sure you send them to yourself so you have them in an email in case something happens with the cloud backup on your phone. Because photographs and videos can be very important in a case. Next, after you take photographs and you speak with the police officer, if you can safely move your car, then do it. If not, get it towed. But do yourself a favor. Take out any important things that you need from your car before it gets towed. I've had cases where clients have had trouble retrieving items that were in the vehicle. What the tow companies may do is they will remove the items from the car and they'll put it in a bag and give it to you. But really, you may have items in your trunk that you forgot about, and you want to make sure to take anything valuable out of your vehicle before it is towed. That's just to save you some headaches later on when you're trying to go to a tow yard to remove items from your car. Next, if you don't contact an attorney when you get home, you probably should. It's free. It's free to call me. Personal injury lawyers don't charge consultation fees, but make sure you do talk to a lawyer. A lot of times when you call these law firms, a lot of them will advertise on billboards. You don't actually get to talk to a lawyer. You'll talk to an investigator or you'll talk to a paralegal. So demand that you actually speak with an attorney, a personal injury attorney, and not an investigator or a legal assistant or a paralegal. After you speak with the attorney first, contact your own insurance company. You have to report the accident and any injuries to your own insurance company. What you are going to get is a number of calls from the other person's insurance company. Don't speak to them. Speaking to them is not going to help your claim out. So talk to your lawyer about this. Next, keep up with any doctor's appointments. So if your doctor says to follow up in 2 weeks, go back. If your doctor says to go get an MRI, go get it done. If your doctor says to do a couple weeks of physical therapy and then they'll decide what to do, make sure you go to the physical therapy. It's not good for your health and not good for a case at all if you don't follow up with the medical care that your doctor is suggesting that you do. Now, next thing I want to talk about is after a car accident, you're going to be inundated with email advertisements from other lawyers. They're not supposed to be doing that. There is a waiting period that's supposed to happen, but many times I have clients who show me 10, 20 different mailings. They've also had phone calls from folks saying they work with or associate with a law firm. You definitely should not be contacting those lawyers. Do your research, find a lawyer that you're comfortable with, and just ignore phone calls that you get from folks saying they work for a law firm, or emails you may get, or mailers you may get. Ignore those. Research a lawyer on your own and find one that you're comfortable with. And again, speak with them very early. If you have any questions, our website is vanriperandnies.com. My name is Tim Nies. I've been an attorney for about 20 years, 21 years. For the first 8 or 9 years, I was a defense attorney, so I represented the insurance companies and defendants. I'm available 24/7. Thank you.